between Russia and Ukraine has entered a new and intense phase. Fresh missile strikes and drone attacks have been reported, causing widespread destruction. Despite international sanctions and diplomatic efforts, the conflict shows no signs of slowing down. Ukraine continues to defend its territory while Russia maintains its aggressive stance. Civilians remain the worst affected. Thousands have been displaced and infrastructure continues to be destroyed. The humanitarian crisis is deepening with each passing day. Global powers, including the US and European nations, are closely monitoring the situation. Military aid and financial support are being extended to Ukraine. The war has reshaped global politics, energy markets, and alliance, and it drags on. The cost of conflict continues to rise, not just for the nations involved, but for the entire world.